Good afternoon. My name is Santiago Erickson Moreno Preciado. I am 45 years old. I live in Sogamoso. I am married. I have 2 children. I am working in here GSR company in the industrial park. The name of course is teaching English to children, adolescents and adults. I realized my pedagogical practice in the foundation umbrella. I worked with population adult. My pedagogical practices were important and rewarding for me because I was able to develop my knowledge, skills, and experience with the different classes that I did with my students, in addition to knowing them, interacting with them, knowing their likes, virtues, shortcomings, with which one I am also learning, in addition to acquire knowledge from the other teachers with whom I shared. I lived new and enriching experiences. I can continue to develop my practice more authentically when I can lead a class to my students, since it is very important to lose fear and gain confidence and determination to a specific teaching methodology according to the challenges today, and that my students they feel proud and with enthusiasm and dedication to learn and acquire knowledge that will serve them to improve their quality of life and that on their families. Thank you very much. Bye bye.